Camera uniforms part 1. When we press the 5 key, we'll see a yellow screen. You might actually get black. That would still be okay because we have some undefined behavior in our code. Here is shader number 5 for shader pipeline 5. Commonly used types, index accessors, common numbers, alias for the frag chord, which we're going to map to the screen, a function that's inline that's not used, the function that normalizes the fragment coordinate. These are our viewports as uniforms that are not yet wired up. These are conventions that we're going to use in our shader code. This is the shader code. This is where we're just trying to spit out the frag chord with a upper left origin, hence why we're kind of flipping the origin using viewport C. Viewport C is not yet wired up though, therefore we may get a division by 0, so you may see a yellow or a black screen rather than the gradient we would be expecting because we haven't wired up the necessary variables yet. Footnote of what we did in the previous tutorial. Comments for all of the code in that shader. It's quite a lot of commentary, but we don't have time to go over it. And what we've done in this video here. So if you want to see this covered in more detail, you can go to this playlist. You are right here now. You can check out the code for this specific video right here, and you can email me here. This has been video number 89, Camera Uniforms Part 1. Like and subscribe.